Hello everyone. Been a while since I did a video. Thought I'd do a small video here and update you guys. Haven't gotten much else done on the car, but I've been trying to restore my Rally dash cluster. As most of you are familiar, these lenses get all scratched up, dull looking through the years. I've done the small one. It's kind of hard to tell. You might be able to see the difference here. Done the small one for the oil pressure and the water temp gauge. Decided to try this headlight restore on it, and honestly it turned out pretty good, considering it was just by hand and I didn't use a drill or anything. Still got some stuff on it. I think it's inside. You can't really see it here on the video or in a picture. It's got some stuff that kind of looks like a little smoke maybe on the inside of it. I've went over it a couple of different times now trying to get it out, and it just never comes out. There it is. You can see it just barely. Anyway, I'm pretty happy with it. They want $35 a piece for these repop, and I thought before I'd done that I would try to clean them up, and you know what, they're just fine for my old raggedy car. So I'm gonna try to get this finished up and get back on the car. Haven't got much done the last month. Between the high temp and the high humidity, just hasn't been the ideal weather to try to work on that thing. So anyway, I'm gonna get off here and get back at it. Thought I'd give you guys a little update. Hope you're all having a good day wherever you're at. Hope you enjoy it. I'll catch you next time.